Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Let's learn the colors name. Gray color, red color, brown color, orange color, green color, yellow color, sky blue color, violet color, dark blue color, pink color, dark pink color, black color. Let's learn alphabets and numbers counting. Alphabet A for apple. Alphabet B for butterfly. Alphabet C for candy. D for door. E for elephant. F for forest. G for girl. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, H for hospital. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lychee. M for mango. N for newspaper. Number 8, number 9, number 10, 1 0, 10, number 11, 1 1, 11, number 12, 1 2, 12, number 13, 1 3, 13, number 14, 1 4, 14. O for orange. P for pillow. Q for quill. R for robot. S for students. T for tuition. EU. U for union. Number 15. 1 5. 15. Number 16. 1 6. 16. Number 17. 1 7. 17. Number 18. 1 8. 18. Number 19. 1 9. 19. Number 20. 2 0. 20. Number 21. 2 1. 21. V for vehicle. W for wall. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zinc. 22. 22. 23. 23. 24. 24. 25. 25. 26. 26. Now let's revise the alphabets and numbers. Alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. And the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There are 26 letters and 26 numbers we have learned today. Practice at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.